Hey everyone, just another guy here. Back at it again, testing 13.2.7 here in the snow. It is snowing today, so gonna give it a try and see how it performs. Right, first I get out this parking lot here. Snowing pretty heavily. It is a little bit brighter than last time I did a snow video, so we'll see how it performs today. Alright, and we're off. Got out of the parking lot just fine. Okay, we're driving in between two lanes, and it was between the yellow divider as well too. So I'm not sure if full self driving just couldn't see it because the lines are faded. Needs to get over. Alright. Okay. In the leftmost lane, I'm under the hurry profile. Kind of cool how much full self driving can see, because right now out the windows is really blurry and I could almost barely see the car in front of me, but full self driving is still handling it. Right now it's just such a mess. Okay, there you go. It's cleared it up a little bit. But full self driving, able to see all of that through that mess, which is pretty good. Again, right here I can barely see out the windshield right now. I'm sure full self driving is able to see everything clearly just okay. Alright, this car needs to merge back into the left side, and full self driving slowing down to give it some room. Potholes, so y'all know, still just something that full self driving will not avoid, even on this latest version 13.2.7, maybe 13.3, or maybe even version 14. Slow down. Not protected left turn anymore. Okay. Proceeds up ahead. Good job. Great job here. Slowing down just in time and proceeding just in time. Not waiting, not hesitating. Slowing down for this speed bump. Good job. Got me here. So let me edit the trip here. If it will let me remove it. Okay, should start rerouting into the next location here. Looks like Full Self Driving wanted to pull into the spot here, but I think because I reroute the map, it just didn't do that. But would have been cool to see that happen. Okay, there's a stop sign. I want to see if I can see it. So it's covered in snow. I think Full Self Driving just slowed down to make sure it was clear to make the left turn because the speed here didn't actually drop to 0. So it probably did not see the stop sign. Okay, with the cover of that car turn making a left turn would have been okay for Full Self Driving to go, but it decided to wait, which is fine. Okay, I'm not gonna have it go into sharp right. I'm just gonna remove the location and have it start rerouting. Stop here on red. That was a break. That was a disengagement because it was supposed to stop here on red earlier, but Full Self Driving did not stop at where it was supposed to stop for red. Re-engage. And I flagged that to Tesla. Again, it wouldn't have been, like, at that moment it wasn't dangerous for me to disengage, but there could be an oncoming truck turning, and you just want to make sure that there's enough room for it. So that's why the sign said to stop at that location when it's red, but full self-driving didn't recognize that and just want to go towards the end. Okay. Full self-driving being very assertive and aggressive, passing this truck here. Okay, slowing down for these pedestrians. Okay, clear now. I think full self-driving thought that car was about to make a turn, so it proceeded. But when it proceeded, the other car proceeded as well. So, but it stopped and recognized that and gave room for the car to go. Good job. I probably would have been in the same situation because I thought the car was making a turn as well. Alright, gonna take over here and wait to make a left turn here. Clear. I think overall the driving experience of this part of full self-driving here in even in the snow when it's hard for us to see with the reflections and everything else, full self-driving still did a really great job. But it's just those little things that still gotta be worked on. First, reading is definitely a big one for full self-driving. Stopping earlier where it should be stopping at a traffic light instead of going up to the traffic light, that should be addressed. Full self-driving can definitely see with the cameras, so it should recognize that. And of course, avoiding potholes, that has never been the case before, but hopefully full self-driving can address that and fix that. All right, let me know your thoughts on this one, especially in the snow. Let me know what you think.